Seeing it is Heilala week, it's my privilege and pleasure to introduce to you the Samoan Miss Heilala. We've forgotten to bring the wig, so tonight we're just gonna wear a towel. So how are you, Tala?
I'm good, thank you. Yeah, Malolele. Yes, you know the Heilala festival.
Yes.
Was originally they got it from me because it used to be the Heilala festival.
So how have you enjoyed Tonga since you arrived, Tala?
Well, Tonga's a beautiful country. I used to come here. I used to have come here on holiday with my boyfriend Heilala. Yeah, he's my chief. My handkerchief. Yeah.
So, how did you think Sione Lawaki played last night against the Wallabies?
Let's not talk about that. But I think it was great because the Australian team was led by, a Tongan boy.
Oh, yes, what was his name?
Oh, it's my own boyfriend.
Who was that?
John Smith. Yeah.
So, what can the good people of Tonga expect from you tomorrow, Tala?
Tomorrow night you're going to see, I know that those ladies from the Heilala Festival is pretty, but tomorrow night you're going to see the most beautiful lady in the Pacific. Yeah. And I'm going to be starring in one of Laughing Samoans' new show. It's called Crack Me Off. So yeah, I hope to see you there. Please, Malo Peter.
Okay, well, thank you very much, Tala. I know Uncle Suavai is here with us tonight, and he just can't help it. Uncle Suavai, what do you think of the contestants for the Miss Heilala?
Yeah, I think, this lady here is very beautiful, this Tongan lady. Especially the one that's come from Hawaii, it's one of my favorite ones. But, we can go down to Hina Cave and tell a few stories down there.
And what can the good people of Tonga expect from Uncle Suavai at the Crack Me Off show tomorrow night?
Well, I think, it's going to be a real heaps of laugh over there. And, the hopefully, I would meet the lady of my dream, from here from Tonga, and as part of the Heilala Festival. Yeah.
Well, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. To see more of Tala and Uncle Suavai, see you tomorrow.